We are very serious about enhancing the skills of all Filipino workers, marking them job-ready for the technical and digital jobs that will be open through the investments that we have secured.
Ininutos ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. king Department of Labor and Employment ang niyang milaba sa Labor Day. Agpangking Presidente, mirasking 1.7 trillion pesos sing alagada ng investments. Karing mialwang sektor, hingin na probana ng Investment Promotion Agency sa niyang 2023. Asahan kanumambielang obra reni, karing halos 108,000 na Pilipino. King kasalungsungan kanuod sulaking 8 proyekto ding mamarangkada na ring karelang negosyo king bangsa at ating pang-20 metong nga negosyanteng amuyutanan ng gobyerno ang magparehistro na banga umpisa ng karelang investments. Kaya bela kanureni karing at suking 200 projects kasalungsungan na namang panayan ng Department of Trade and Industry ang magkaulagang 4 trillion pesos. Agpang kay Malacanang makasawap na rin investment projects sa reni, bang din ang solusyon ng problema king underemployment kaya bansa. Samantala, base king latest data na ng Dollar Region 3 at suking 8.7% ang unemployment rate kaya Central Luzon. Tutong basay ni kay may get 478,000 na kataong mamamaximize so magagamit masalese ang karelang gelingan at belwan king karelang posisyon king obra. Agpang king dole, problema pa rin ang job mismatch. Mistaman dakal job vacancies. Anya naman dakal lakano rin karelang convergence programs ba improving employability daring talapagobra. Atin lakan ng programa kaya being TESDA nung nukarin dalawenta yung skills requirement daring industriya at karin dala i-focus ng training program o needs analysis. Betong kareni in job start.
This is already done in partnership with the participating employers. So halimbawa, merong isang particular employer, ganito kadami ang kailangan niyang mga technical personnel. So, dinidevelop na natin yon. We give them the soft skills through the Job Start programs and then we give the technical skills in partnership with our participating employers.
Atin lamo naman kanong internship, apprenticeship program nung nukarin lalawen dala po, ringaliwa pang programa ba na improving employability. Pero sumangid na rin ni aminado yung Dollar Region 3 Director Geraldine Pandillo at nakala pa rin alang Kebal 1 karing programa nga rin ni. Dingaliwa naman kanu alila available ding skills training program aburida at inikano yung balaw sa pagobra na ning dole katukining utos ng Presidente.
Mag-evolve pa yan, Jen, kasi of course meron din siguro mga skills na gusto nilang makuha na hindi pa rin naman ino-offer. So it's more of dinidevelop pa natin further. So yun nga, isa yan sa napaka-importanting gustong mangyari ng ating Pangulo, of course, through the Department of Labor and Employment and all of its attached agencies. Then doon din nakatingin yung mga programang gagawin natin ngayon para sa youth employability and employability of all the workers and those who would like to join yung ating labor force.
Dagdagano pa kanon ng dollar ang karelang programa kasaping Department of Education o DepEd at Commission on Higher Education ang timurin ding aliwapang ahensya ng gobyerno bang din ang solusyon ang job mismatch. Ako ang kakayong talasuyo Jennifer Salenga, ating pusong makabalan.